Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see a cheap and best wireless mic for our vlogging purpose and other video recording purposes. So come on guys, let's see what it is. So everyone knows that around 50% of the people who uses the phone, they are recording a video and uploading it to the social media and internet. So it might be for educational purpose or instructional purpose or personal branding or company branding. So whatever reason it might be, so they are uploading it to the internet. For that purpose we need a best mic, because how much importance you give for your video clarity, that much importance you should give for your audio clarity also. So in this video I'll suggest you a best wireless mic. So this is not promotional video, this is my own experience. By that I'm suggesting you this product. So guys, this is the mic which I am going to suggest you. So this is a wireless microphone from a brand called Grenaro. So let's see what this box contains first. A mic, two mic covers, a power cable and a receiver. So guys, first take this mic and attach this mic cover onto it like this. Then at the back side you can see a button given like this. So you should give a long press to it to activate this mic. So you can see a green indication light will be provided for your understanding. Then you should attach this receiver to your mobile C port. Based on your mobile's brand, it will automatically detect it, or else you can follow this screen I'm shared here. You should go to the settings, then you should search OTG in settings, and you will see an option called OTG connections or in similar name. Then you should go there and should enable this OTG connection button. Then you can see the receiver will be activated and ready to record. So that's it guys. Now the audio will be recorded from this mic only. So you can simply open your video recorder and start your video recording. So guys, let's see how to switch on that noise reduction options. So default it will come with the level 1 noise reduction option. So if you press this button at the back side for one time, it will blink for one time. So with that you can understand it's a level 1. If you press it for the second time, it will blink twice. So you can understand it's level 2. And if you press it for the third time, it will blink thrice, which you can understand it's at the level 3 noise reduction option. So this is how you can understand and switch on the levels. So I strongly suggest to go with the level 3, then only you will get a audio clarity much in your video. So guys, you see how much beneficial it will be for your video recording. So I have attached the product link in my description also, so you can click that and you can buy the product if you wish to buy this. So guys, as I said, this is not a promotional video, so I will say the disadvantage of this product also. So it will reduce the surrounding noise to a minimum, I mean to a limit. So sounds like a fan or heavy wind or someone talking nearby you, those kind of sounds it will reduce. But still, if any vehicles sound horn nearby is there, it will get recorded. Or think like a Royal Enfield bike crossing nearby you, or a child crying loudly, those kind of sounds it will get recorded. So like it will reduce it into a 50%, but still it will get recorded. So that is a disadvantage in this product. But like if your surrounding is much in a isolated place where you don't have that much disturbance, then it will be fine. Or else you will have those kind of sounds get recorded in your video. So thanks for watching guys, and in another video I will come with any interesting device or interesting information. Until that, bye.